Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail and your stomach already rumbling. I know I'm gonna show you guys how to make these hot honey orange pepper chicken nuggets. Yes, you're gonna love it. You already know. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's get started with this particular recipe. Now, I made some revisions to fit my seasoned palate than what that nurse cooked, but pretty much everything is pretty much the same. But I did make some adjustments because we should all do that when we're cooking our own food. No matter what kind of guidelines people lay out to us, you always cook based on what you like and your tasting. So right here we have some cornmeal and flour. We have some boneless chicken breasts. I cut them in chunks right here. Now she did her recipe with chicken thighs. Now I didn't want to do it with thighs, nor did I want to do it with wings because I do have an orange pepper wing recipe. So I decided to do it with some boneless breasts, either tenders or nuggets. So I decided with nuggets. So right here I have a hot orange sour. It's called Agria Naranja Picante. This is what I'm using. Since they're orange pepper, I kind of want to kick that flavor up with a little picante orange sour. We also got some regular orange sour, which is just Naranja Agria. That is orange sour. Now, I know my Spanish is not that good, along with my Alabama accent, but hey, y'all can read it right there. We have some orange pepper seasoning right here. We also, in this bowl, we have orange pepper seasoning, some adobo seasoning, some garlic powder. And right here, we're using the same thing, but we're gonna use it in a powder form, and we're gonna put that in our flour mixture, and that's gonna step up that orange flavor that we're looking for. Right here, more lemon pepper seasoning, some hot honey. Guys, you don't have hot honey, use regular honey, but that hot honey helps maintain that spice level that we're looking for. We have some freshly squeezed orange juice. And here we have some more adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, a crushed bouillon cube. And right here we have orange zest. So these are the ingredients. I know it seems like a lot, but some of these ingredients are the same, but we have 3 steps that we have to season. We have to season our flour, our chicken, and our hot honey orange pepper sauce. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so let's start off by preparing our batter. We're gonna add our Naranja powder flavor, garlic powder, adobo sauce, and orange pepper. And we're gonna mix this up like this. Now adjust your seasons again as you see fit. If you need to add a little bit more salt to it, a little bit more orange pepper, or all-purpose season, whatever you're using, feel free to do so. So we're gonna sit that aside and continue. All right, let's get our chicken season. We're gonna add our orange sour, our hot orange sour, orange zest, that orange pepper seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, adobo seasoning, and chicken bouillon. And we're gonna go in with our hands and get that baby mixed up, just like that. All right, that's what we have. We're gonna sit this in the refrigerator, let it marinate for about 30 minutes. We're gonna come back and we'll start putting these babies in that hot oil, all right? All right, so we're about an hour in. We're gonna start battering up our chicken nuggets. So we're just gonna toss a few here in this flour. Now, if you have a Ziploc bag, you could also do it that way too. Just drop them in the Ziploc bag. We're gonna sit them over here on this baking rack. Guys, just that simple. While we're doing this, go ahead and heat up your oil at about 350 degrees. So once you finish breading them, you can baptize them in that hot grease, all right? So I'm gonna finish this up and we're gonna come right back. All right, so we have all our chicken nuggets battered up. So we're gonna head over to our stove. That grease is almost at 350, so we can get started. We're gonna go ahead and start dropping our nuggets in here. And guys, you wanna make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. So cook in batches if you need to. And guys, you're definitely gonna cook these babies for about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on how big your nuggets are and how hot you have your grease. But you know when they start floating to the top, we're getting there. So it looks like we're good on this batch. We're gonna start removing them out of our pot. Guys, take a look at that. Oh man, we're gonna add them here to our baking rack. We're gonna sit them in our warmer while we fry the other batches. And once we do that, we're gonna come back, all right? All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove our last batch. We'll add them here to our baking dish. or bacon rack rather. And now we're gonna head over to our cooktop and we're gonna prepare our hot honey orange pepper sauce. We're gonna start off by heating up our pan. We're gonna heat it up on a low to medium. Then we're gonna add our orange juice along with our honey and our orange pepper seasoning. And we're gonna let this cook and bring it to like a slow boiling roll. All right, guys, looks like we're there. We're gonna pause our heat, or actually turn it off. So now we're gonna move over to our cutting board to get our nuggets sauced up. And there you have it, guys. Hot honey, orange pepper, chicken nuggets. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can test them out, all right? Let's go. All right, let's bring these nuggets to the front of the congregation because they need to be here. Look at that, man. Ooh. Oh, man. Let's go here. Oh, man. Listen, you can taste all the citrus flavor. Oh, That Nurse Cooks brought us one, man. These are fire, guys, fire. And good thing about it, you can make this with wings. She did it with thighs. You can even do it with pork chop. The hot honey orange pepper sauce, bang. So, I gotta get back to these. Until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. Woo! I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.